Okay guys, we're back at Spot That Deal, and I just thought it would be a great idea this evening that Aliyah, that's my baby daughter, are gonna make this video with me. So today we are gonna review, Aliyah, we're gonna review, let me just check here, the waterproof silicone bib. Okay, so this is a bib you place around your toddler's neck, chest area, and it's easily wipeable, and if she makes a little oopsie, it will fall into this little area here, and then it won't obviously ruin her clothing or fall onto a lap or anything like that. So it is a truly amazing product. We're gonna do it now. Sorry, she's just speaking Afrikaans, so excuse her. And yeah, so you just clip it at the back, as you can see, and she can eat without ruining her clothing. So I think it's really a cool product. It's for babies and toddlers. It's got a 4.5 star rating, 2,000 customer reviews. It's a bestseller on Amazon. And the best of all, it's a 55% discount on this product. So grab this product today while this discount lasts. It's only $17.97, and believe me, you will be happy with this product. It's really a well-designed, good product, and it really works. So remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe. And remember to push the bell button for notifications and more videos. And maybe Aliyah can make some more videos with me. Aliyah, will you love doing that with Daddy? Want to make more videos with Daddy? Okay, so we're gonna make more videos, and maybe we're gonna call it Aliyah Spot the Deal or something like that. Anyway, enjoy the product. Get the product, click on the promo link and get the product today while this promo lasts. 55%, guys, it's huge. 55%. Get it today.